You saw one, Max?
I've seen several.
Oh, there's one behind you, Max.
Right next to him.
Oh, did you see it? You just gotta keep trying, honey.
I'll try.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm not making any promises, though.
I lost.
You're gonna watch?
You see some? Papa don't see some. He don't see some.
He's looking. He's gonna try for you.
I want to do inside.
No, Max. We're gonna catch lightning bugs. We gotta do it out here. Here comes Nana with the jar, I bet. Here comes Nana.
Maybe they can fly away.
Maybe.
Maybe Papa's tiny. We kiss him.
You did? Is he in there? Hold him. Papa, hold him. Whoa.
See him in the net?
See him in the net, Maxie?
See his little bottom? It's kind of white.
See?
That's a firefly.
Yay! Papa. Okay, so where do we get? Can we get him in the jar then?
Do you have your glasses on?
No, I should have brought him. Didn't think I'd need him. There he is. Maxie.
Should I try to catch
There's
another
another one right there, Pat.
Maxie, let me see.
Look, show Mama.
Look.
Pat.
Wow, cool.
I just no, Papa just got one, but now look
There's one right there. They're all over, Pat.
That's pretty cool. Is that pretty cool?
Exactly the right time of
Yep.
Yep.
day. What did you do?
I love
But
you.
what's his eyes?
They're on there. They're just really little. I love you.
Oh no. Oh, he's so new now.
Is he lighting up?
No.
He will be. Maybe he's just
He
scared
will.
right now.
Maybe Papa's getting this one. He got one.
Papa's got another one.
Another one.
Yeah, don't open
Wait,
it.
don't
Maxie,
open it.
Don't open it.
Let's open it very carefully. Because this guy wants to get out.
Right under my thumb. I only have one hand on it.
Well,
Here.
okay. This guy's in there. Look, Maxie, look. See him? Yeah.
He just light up. That's pretty cool, Max.
Him.
Yeah. I love you, Maxie.
Stick him in there.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.